Tomorrow, I know we're going to have a little bit of good weather for the race for the place, but what about today, Anthony? Look at that wind shaking the camera.
I know.
Crazy.
Yeah, there's a lot of complaints with the weather today. It's a Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. I know we're just champing at the bit to really bring on those summer-like activities. A lot of kids are out right now. We're just a day away, less than 24 hours from June 1st. We got some June frost to talk about. I know, 51 degrees. Northwest wind around 21 miles an hour. The north winds are really cranked up over the past couple of hours, but they will be backing off as we head throughout the afternoon. But you're going to notice that stepping outside. So we're back to early March standards all across the Great Lakes. You can just see how things are performing when it comes to the winds blowing across the Great Lakes. So this cool Canadian air is going to be sticking around for us, at least for today, right into tomorrow morning. Overall, this low that was scooting to the south of us right now is completely wrapped up on the East Coast and the New England area. That's influencing our weather. We're on the backside of all this, a north wind. Also, with this north wind blowing across a relatively warmer lake, still looking at some instability, a little bit of some clouds and some showers that could kick up, a little bit of some passing showers for this afternoon. So for today and for tonight, the May chill is in full effect, and frost potential, we're going to talk about that deeply in a second here. Overall, today, these are where the temperatures are heading. We're starting off in the low 50s, only warming up into the mid 50s once we introduce a little bit of sunny skies for later on this afternoon and evening. And I'm thinking after sunset, we remain completely clear and calm winds. What does that mean for the afternoon? If you have any plans to head out to game number 2, Angels, they're still in town. Hopefully we'll get our first victory of the series here, but temperatures will be in the 50s with a north wind, so it's going to be a hard time for any major slugging out there at the Progressive Field. So the north wind will continue. Here comes the clear skies for tonight, and check out these temperatures. This is around 6 o'clock around daybreak tomorrow, June 1st. Remind you, 36 in Akron, 37 in Worcester, upper 30s in Kent. Just a click above the freezing mark in Ravenna and Portage County. So locations south of I-80, and I'm thinking mainly east of 71, we'll have the best opportunity of seeing some frost depending on how light these winds go for tonight. Otherwise, we're looking at a sunny start for your Sunday around sunrise, and throughout the afternoon, we pick up lighter winds, and that's going to warm us up into the upper 60s. That's still about 7 degrees, 9 degrees cooler than where we should be for the 1st of June. Upper 70s on the way Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, looking nice. That's pool weather. Low to mid 80s, but it does come with some showers and thunderstorm chances with our next inbound cold front. High pressure replaces all this. Monday, we pick up a south wind. Tuesday, hello 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 80s. Rain chances arrive by Wednesday, retreating as a warm front Thursday, then a trailing cold front sliding in Friday, giving us a slight cool down for next weekend. But the gorgeous weather will continue with your Medina Country Club 10-day outlook, flying high in the low 80s starting Tuesday afternoon, and again Wednesday upper 80s. Could be the warmest day so far this season. Low 80s with Thursday, and then the cold front slides in. We go from the upper 70s to low 70s by this time next week.
Seems like it could be a bit windy today for the Guardians game. So any bettors out there, be wary.